welcome back to another video. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehak Khimka and I'm super duper excited to have you here on my channel. And I upload new video every Friday, but week में एक बार सब्सक्राइब करो बोलने से कुछ नहीं हो रहा था, तो I thought in this week मैं 2 बार आके बोल दूँ, शायद आप जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दो. तो देख क्या रहे हो, जाके सब्सक्राइब करो. Also, if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Now coming to the video, in this video I'll be sharing best makeup products that you should definitely have with you. First of all of these makeup products are really very affordable and I use these products personally on a daily basis. So you can go ahead with this. Also, I have lots of makeup products, but I have chose only the one which is really very good and you should spend your money on this. So make sure you trust me on this and go ahead with these products. So now without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So now I will be starting with my favorite product, that is this Swiss Beauty Ultra Base Concealer Palette. This is how it looks. And the first thing I like about this is the texture is very creamy. And also we have 3 things in this one palette. You can use this as a color corrector, this one as a contour, and all these shades are for your concealing part. So first of all, this is very affordable. This is for 449 rupees and also it has 3 shades. I am in the 03 shade. It has 01 shade, 02 shade. And I got this recently from Nykaa like 2 to 3 weeks back and I am using this on a daily basis. And this is very affordable. Like I have tried 2-3 concealer, but this works for me very well. And also you can see I have many spots on my face and I hide all my spots with the help of this concealer. So this is really worth it. And also the texture is very good. I'll swatch it for you. You can see the pigmentation is also very good. And I really highly recommend you to buy this, because this is very affordable and Swiss Beauty really has some amazing products. So you can go ahead with Swiss Beauty products. So as we are talking about concealer, I have one more product for you, that is this Pond's BB cream. You can use this as a concealer because this is very affordable. This is for 120 rupees. And if you don't have any dark spots, it's just you can use this as a concealer, because for dark spots color corrector are used and you can use this as a concealer. So yeah, you can go ahead with this. I have been using this since the day I started doing makeup. This color corrector, all of this I have recently discovered and started using, but this is the one I have been using since years. So yeah. So now coming to the next thing, again that is from Swiss Beauty. So this is the Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadow. This is how it looks. It looks like a lipstick, but to be honest, I just love this metallic eyeshadow. Like I would highly recommend you to go ahead with this. I have 2 shades in this. This is like a 05 Rose Gold Retro shade and this is 04 Smoky Stone. This is like a silver shade and this is in the rose gold shade. I'll swatch it for you. And also this is for 200 rupees each and we have 6 shades in this category. I am planning soon to buy all of this 6 shade, but for now I have only this 2 shade. And I really love this eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty because I tried once and to be honest, I am in love with this shades. So I would highly recommend you to go ahead with this metallic eyeshadow. Like you should at least try for once. So you can use those metallic eyeshadow, but obviously you cannot use them on a daily basis. Like who wears glitter and shimmer eyeshadow on a daily basis? So you can use this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. This is how it looks. And see, I'll show you. So this is how it looks. It has all the shades. Few are shimmery and few are matte shades. And obviously I would recommend you to go ahead with this. I got this tray from one of the Instagram page, but you can buy this on Amazon. It is available. I'll drop down the link in the description box so you can go ahead and buy. And also I just love this palette. It has every color. Also the pigmentation is average, not too good, not too bad. Obviously you will apply concealer and then you will apply this shade, then it really do wonders. So you can go ahead with this palette if you are new like me in makeup. So yeah, and this was for around 700, 800, something around that, because I got this around 6 to 7 months back. So I don't remember the price, but this is very affordable as per the quality and all of this stuff. So yes, you can go ahead with this eyeshadow. So now the next thing that I would love to recommend you is this Fit Me foundation. Everyone know about this. And the thing I like about this foundation is it has so many shades. Like every skin tone can find its shade. So this is the best thing I love about this Fit Me. And this is a bit costly, like this is for 550 rupees, but this is really worth it. So you should definitely go ahead with this foundation. You can go ahead with other foundation as well, but for me this works and I would recommend you to go ahead with this foundation only. So yeah. Now we are talking about makeup and how we can forget about lipstick. So I would recommend you to go ahead with My Glam lipstick. This is the Lit Collection lipstick. I have this 3 shades and I have tried many lipstick, but I just love this lipstick. I don't know why. First of all, this lipstick is very long lasting and also doesn't feel heavy on your lips. So that's the reason I just love it. And also this is for 400 rupees and there is always an offer going on My Glam, so you can go ahead and buy this lipstick in more cheaper price. And yeah, that's it. Also, I have been using this lipstick since past 6 months and it is not over yet. So that's the reason I love it. And yeah, you can also go ahead with this. Now coming to the next thing, that is this Miss Claire lip liner. This is how it looks. And this is the only lip liner I love the most, and I have so many shades in this. They have around 56 shades in this collection and I have this 5 shades, and this is the only lip liner I use. And first of all, this is very affordable. Also, Miss Claire lip liner are very long lasting and I just love all of their shades because they have so many shades, like 56 shades kisko bolte. So yeah, I just love this lip liner. So the next thing you should get is this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter. This is how it looks. ये मुझे सबसे पहले दिखाना था क्योंकि ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट है, बट मुझे पहले मिल नहीं रहा था. So मैं अभी बता रही हूँ ये. So this is how it looks. It has this 5 shade. You can mix all of them and use it as a one shade or single भी use कर सकते हो. And the thing I like about this is the pigmentation. Just look at this pigmentation. This is so good and this is for 349 rupees. Swiss Beauty really has some amazing products and I just love this brand now. Like I'm obsessed with this brand. And yeah, you should definitely go ahead with this highlighter because I just love this. And you can see the pigmentation. Just look at this. And yeah, that's the reason I love this. So कुछ buy करो मत करो, but you should definitely go ahead with this highlighter if you're buying a highlighter. And yeah. Now coming to the last thing that I wanted to show you is this Micellar water. This is from Bioderma. And I got this in PR package and I just love this Micellar water. Like एक swipe में makeup remove हो जाएगा for sure. And I have tried many makeup remover, but this is the best one. That's the reason I'm recommending you. And yeah, this is really very affordable. I think this is not for sale because I got this in PR package. But yeah, I know this Micellar water is very affordable, so you can definitely go ahead with this. You can find this on Nykaa, or maybe I'll drop down link in the description box so you can check there. So yeah, that was all the product I wanted to show you. First of all, I use this personally, as I said, and all of this product are really worth your money and very affordable, so you should definitely go ahead with these products. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below and let me know if this was useful or not. And also subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and follow me on Instagram for daily updates and all of random stuff. And I'll be seeing you in next video, that is Friday. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and bye.